Have you ever been confused between can and could, or wondered when to use may and might? You're not alone. Modals can seem tricky, but once you understand their purpose, they'll completely transform your English fluency and even help you sound more confident in interviews. Welcome to Ace English and Interview Hub, where we simplify English and communication for success. And stay with me till the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that reveals how to use modals naturally like a native English speaker. Let's start from the basics. Modals are special helping verbs that express possibility, ability, permission, obligation, or advice. They don't change form with tense or subject, simple, right? Now, let's go through each one step by step with easy examples you can actually use every day. 1. Can, ability or possibility. Can is used to show ability or possibility. I can speak English. Ability. It can rain today. Possibility. It's also used for permission in informal situations. Can I go out now? Think of can as your everyday modal for things you're capable of doing or think are likely to happen. 2. Could, past ability or polite request. Could is the past form of can, but it's also used to make polite requests or suggestions. When I was young, I could run very fast. Past ability. Could you please pass me the file? Polite request. It can also show possibility with uncertainty. It could rain later. Maybe, not sure. 3. May, permission or possibility. May is used to ask or give formal permission. May I come in? Very polite. And also to express a strong possibility. You may get the job if you prepare well. Think of may as a more formal and polite version of can. 4. Might, weaker possibility. Might is similar to may, but it expresses a weaker possibility. It might rain tomorrow. Not sure, but possible. You might like this restaurant. Use might when you're not fully confident, just guessing politely. 5. Must, strong necessity or deduction. Must shows necessity, strong advice, or logical conclusion. You must wear a helmet while driving. Strong rule. You must be tired after working all day. Deduction, I'm guessing based on logic. It's one of the most powerful modals, it adds seriousness and certainty. 6. Shall, suggestion or future intention, formal. Shall is used mostly in formal English or British English. Shall we begin the meeting? Suggestion. I shall return soon. Formal future intention. In modern English, will often replaces shall, but it still sounds polite and elegant in professional contexts. 7. Should, advice or expectation. Should expresses advice, duty, or expectation. You should drink more water. Advice. They should reach by now. Expectation. You should when you're guiding someone gently, not ordering them. 8. Will, definite future or willingness. Will is used for future actions or promises. I will call you tomorrow. She will definitely succeed. It can also show willingness. I will help you with your project. It's direct, strong, and confident, great for interviews. 9. Would, polite or imaginary situations. Would is used for politeness, past habits, and imaginary situations. Would you like some coffee? Polite. When I was a child, I would play cricket every evening. Past habit. I would travel the world if I had more money. Imaginary situation. It's softer and more polite than will, perfect for professional conversations. Here's your bonus tip. To sound natural with modals, always match your tone with your intention. Use can/could for ability or requests. May/might for possibility. Must/should for advice or rules. Will/would for future and politeness. And remember, in formal interviews, using modals correctly makes you sound polite, professional, and confident, 3 things every recruiter notices instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ace English and Interview Hub, where we help you speak smarter, interview better, and grow faster.
No era